measure out a flat, well-ventilated space where the heat exchange unit can be constructed. Locate all the baseboards and combine them together using the Allen key provided. Connect all the side panels together according to the installation manual and as can be seen in this video. Install the fan wall inside the drying room and then connect the ceiling to the rest of the unit. Fit the partition wall panels inside the drying room and use the triangular edging to fix them into position. Connect the electrical power to the heating coil. Connect the fan wires to housing and also to the control box as follows. Insert the 3-phase power connection wires into the appropriate electrical terminals. Fix the lighting wires to the terminals inside the control box. If a single-phase unit, connect wires as follows. Install the temperature and humidity sensor. Push trolleys into the drying chamber. Your heat exchange unit is now ready for use.